Hey, how's it going guys? Phil here, and this is a review for the Riyo Angleizer template tool. You'll receive the Angleizer in a microfiber drawstring carrying bag. This tool helps you measure lengths and angles for different shapes, including squares, rectangles, and triangles for a variety of projects. The construction is a little nicer than some of the ones that I've seen in some advertising, since all of the components on this one are made of metal and not plastic. The tightening knobs at each joint are made from a lightweight machined aluminum, and the ruler portions are made from black painted steel with high contrast white numbers and markers, so you can read the measurements easily. The two long sides of the rule can measure out to 10 inches, but have an overall length of 12 inches. The two shorter sides measure out 2 3/8 of an inch in either direction from center, and have an overall length of 7 inches. Centimeters are also marked on the rulers. It's really simple to change the angle and position. Loosen the thumb screw at the joint, slide the rule in the direction that you want, and tighten it to set the angle and length. So for example, if you're cutting tile along a wall that has an awkward angle, you simply line up this tool against the wall to template out the shape of the tile that you need. Then mark your tile and cut it to fit. The nice part about this tool is that because it's made of metal, it won't crack or snap. And because the metal is painted, it shouldn't rust either. It's great for woodworking, masonry, tiling, and other projects where you need to match shapes and angles, and it works exactly as described. I hope you enjoyed this review. You can ask me any questions in the comments. I'll put a link to the product in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and join me next time.